Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a luxurious villa for sale. It is located in Cardiff Hall, Runaway Bay, St. Anne. It offers 4 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, a private pool, and views of the Sandals Runaway Bay golf course. Additionally, it features a guest house with a studio apartment upstairs that also has a loft and the 3 bedrooms or 2 bedrooms and an entertainment room downstairs. The property includes titled rights to Ocean Park Beach, making it perfect for seaside relaxation. With a successful track record as an Airbnb for over 15 years, this villa is not only a beautiful retreat but also a lucrative investment opportunity. Schedule a viewing today to experience this slice of paradise firsthand. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 1.5 million or Jamaican $230.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.